Today I'm going to show how you make a nasal strip. You got your parquet or yogurt container lid, and you cut out a piece about this big, around about that big. Then you make it into a piece that is like this, approximately, so it'll go on your nose. Then you take your duct tape, scissors, cut your duct tape, nice strip about that big, and you put your piece in the center. Round about like that. And just snip off the ends. A little bit here. A little bit there. And then what I do is I make a V. On either end. Then you can make it smaller if you want. Need good scissors though. And then you place it on your nose when you get it done. And it should look like this. You can get these ones at the dollar store. There's 5 in a pack. That they don't work. Nor do the Breathe Right ones, the brand name ones by